Hello and welcome, guys. Welcome back to yet another video around the Ollama. So this will be the third video of this series. So in this series, we'll try checking how you can execute your command, or basically the prompt from the command line. Okay, so you have already seen how we have interacted with this from the GUI part. So this is the one. So this is how you interact with the GUI from interface. You can interact like this. Now you can also interact with from the command prompt. So for that, I'm going to open my command prompt. So this is the basically the command window array. If you press, then the CMD. So this will open up in front of you. Now here you can check for which version, Ollama version. You can check. Oh, so this is command to check the version. Okay, so this will also will give you the assurance key your Ollama is running command from the command line as well. Okay, so this gives me the version name, version number. So that is why I can confirm this is working fine. Now coming to the basic Ollama command. So the third one, in case you don't have that green signal of the version is coming, you'll have to make that setup here. Okay, so I have data local this will have to do some changes, and even you can search here over the chat and you'll find how you'll be able to set up that. Okay, now Ollama run this as a agent. So currently you see here which agent in my case is working, that is this. Okay, so I can try this Ollama run. 3, and it is saying pulling manifest. So what does that mean? So that means this is not installed in my case. So that is why it is pulling and downloading. So I can skip if I want to by pressing the Control C. So I can put here whatever the name is coming here, and I can try checking that one. Okay. So in my case, I already have here the gamma G double MA 3 this 4B. So this is the name. If I press, and I can see it is working fine. Now I can type a message here. Let's say what is PHP. Okay, so now I can see the response here. Got it? So you can see how easy it is to get involved, and you can start communicating from the command line itself. Okay, and in case you have to go for a different model, you say here. So these are the model name. Okay, then if you go for a different one, you should have already downloaded. If not, it will start downloading. Like you see here, in this case it was the size of this was 4.7, and it start downloading. So after the download, it will install, and then only you will be able to interact with this. Okay, so this is how you will be able to communicate with this. Now if you Control C, will come up for the next question. Okay, so same question I am asking, what is Moodle LMS? So I have asked from the interface. Okay, so this is the response. I can see like this. Correct, and even you can try this offline. So I already discussed that one, how you will be able to try offline, and of course Ollama work offline. Offline means even you have no internet connection, you can still communicate. Okay, So you can give a try at least at your end, and in case you see any challenges, please feel free to write me here in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.